Ano yan? Ano yan? Sinigang na burrito? Ah, sinigang na burrito. Grabe naman ang sinigang na burrito mo.
I'm sorry.
Anong klaseng burrito yan, man? May sabaw yung burrito.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Palm Spring. Filipino riders is in Palm Spring. Just having lunch. Mike had a flat tire, so we had to wait for him. Been waiting for 2 hours over here.
Sinigang na burrito.
This.
Same sex couple here in California.
Okay, we're on our way to San Diego. See you next stop.
The first thing that we see when we were